Meemo learning. Colors name. Blue. It's blue color. Brown. It's brown color. Black. It's black color. Green. It's green color. Gray. It's gray color. Orange. It's orange color. Purple. It's purple color. Pink. It's pink color. Red. It's red color. Sky. It's sky color. White. It's white color. Yellow. It's yellow color. Lesson review. Yellow. Red. Green. Blue. Pink. Sky. Orange. Purple. Brown. Gray. Black. White. Thank you for watching. For more educational videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.